Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya U Conrad ki sangma ubade u Shongknor jong ka kinhon ki menteri sorkar bapet ekakam ya Khalai ula ong ka khajna ka trekam ha ka jingela Khalai Casino. Bar karukam khen ha ka no karukam onlum ya ka khajna layakran bha ha ni ka benta bar haba poi ha ka jingya klan online ni ki benta ki dang ya kran bar onda kila dep ban ya kran kin sa shem ya ka rai ha ka jingya kran shakilat pathai khubor hadal hi hadien ka jingya lang. U Conrad ki sangma kum Shongknor ka kinhun ki menteri sorkar laong bagani ka kinhun kan long tang kan long ai jingmut sha ka sorkar pdeng bar ha ka ba khatdu ye ka rai ban shim kan long ka sorkar pdeng ki kin long tang ki nong ai jingmut. U menteri Rangba ula ong ba omla ban pinbena namar ki don ki kindon ka ba kimpat la ban thu pai ba henry kin saya thu ha ka por ka ba biang ya ka ei ka ba kishim ya ka rai.
Exactly. So the point is that these are all three different games, and hence we cannot have the same formula going through all. So that's the complication that comes in, and we are working on all these things. That's the reason why this particular GOM is taking slightly more time, because it's a very complex issue, and it's got a lot of legal aspects to it, and different court rulings are there. All these things have to be taken into consideration, and as I said, most importantly, these are three games which are completely different from each other, but yet the GOM has been made for all three, and we have to, it's almost like three GOMs into one, and that's the reason why this is slightly more complex. But we are approaching the end, and we're hopeful that in the next 1 week, 10 days, we should.
There is no doubt about that, but how the mechanism is to be evolved, to be worked out, is the issue, which we are applying our mind very closely.
Is there decided that it will be on the gross gaming revenue to be taxed?
As I said, there is an element of legal opinion also being taken to shore up the thing further.
So what about
See, we are talking of three different games.
Yes.
All games are not the same. And this GOM is being asked to look into three separate games which function in three very, very different ways. The gross gaming revenue is something that is applicable in, say, casino, and the methodology on where and how should be collected are areas which we're looking at. So all these things are being debated. When it comes to areas of online and the other games, issues of coming under skills and chance are these issues that are being debated.
So will there be a differentiation between game of skill and game of chance?
All these opinions and legal stands will be taken, and then accordingly we will arrive to a conclusion very, very soon. So therefore we have decided to move forward. I cannot give you more details right now.
Sir, when the rate is final, rate is 28%. Is
again, as I said, we don't want to disclose anything right now. It's not appropriate for us, because as I said, as a GOM, we have to maintain our